Hey everybody, so I don't normally do these videos, but I thought I would spice it up a little bit and give a little information on the clips instead of just raw clips. So I haven't been driving for about 4 months because I got a new job. So in the meantime, I've had this simulator to like hold me over, and it's been awesome. It really holds me over. It's G27, and then I play Lift for Speed here or here. So it holds me over, and I learned a lot from it. I've been driving with Ben and Eric. It's a great time. We get to hang out and stuff. So that's been helping. I have noticed through the game I've gotten better. It's harder to do the simulator than drive in real life. This event, it's been 4 months since I drove the car. I changed the front angle. I copied Dan Martin's kit. He helped me, walked me through what he had, and it's all homemade, custom stuff, budget, and it definitely made a difference compared to what I used to have. So, excuse me. So I was spinning out way less, able to save it, more comfortable when I got close, so I could throw it and be okay. And snappier, I could snap a lot, really fast, snappy transitions, and count that I wouldn't spin on it, which came in handy a lot. It's closing the gap. Another thing, this event, I bought new tires, solely new tires. I had my old fronts were GT radials. They were kind of showing cords on the inside from camber wear, so I put them on the back. They lasted a good while, pretty grippy. And then I had tried some Otsu's OHTSU that they're like knockoff Falcons. Tried those at a 225, which is smaller than normal, and they weren't so hot. I don't think I'm gonna buy them again at this point. It was like 120 for the two, so rather cheap, it's shipped, but just wasn't doing it so hot. Then Kendas, 245 Kendas, and stuck with those through the end. Pretty happy with them. They didn't last quite as long as everyone hypes them up to be, although we were doing one big old loop, which would kill it, the left side, and it did. So it's partially that. I could have swapped them or something. I'm not sure if you're supposed to run those backwards or not. I didn't. But I don't know if you're, with drifting, if you run them backwards, they usually last longer because they're radials. Whatever, it happened over, and it's over now. But I had one of my best events ever because of those three things, I'd say. Also, they repaved the skid pad, which is grippier. Definitely is grippier. It's 4+. It's a big plus. So these are a couple clips from today. I got my first ever just stuck on the door tandem, and then transition, get right back on that door. I usually would panic in that situation, but the drift simulators really helped me, and I knew what to do with the car to make up gaps. Having the tires that I could make up the gap, because before I'd run these used ones, I would just wash out a lot of time or spin. It was very frustrating. So here's my clips. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Getting some space on entry. Driving with that dude.